This is a tutorial on how to use the Geetuk consumer app. Before we begin, what is Geetuk? Geetuk is a delivery application with a twist. We will tell you about the twist later on, so stay tuned. The first step is to register. It is a very easy process. Just put in your details and you'll be sent here. Before you begin navigating through the application, make sure you update your details and credit card information. We recommend you do this as soon as possible to save you the hassle, as an active credit card is needed to process your request. Then you can add your pickup address and drop-off location. If you need multiple items picked up from multiple locations, you can do so here. For example, you may want groceries to be picked up from a certain place and meat or other essentials from another place. You can do all of that in one task instead of creating multiple tasks. For this tutorial, we will be using one pickup and one drop-off location. Let's say you would like someone to go to Aldi and deliver to your current location. You can search Aldi and you'll be sent to this page where you can decide the mode of transport. This has been created so you can choose based on the size of the delivery. For instance, if you want a coffee from a local coffee shop, potentially a pedestrian would be the best option. There are other options as well, such as bicycle, motorbike, car, and truck. So depending on the size of your delivery, you can decide how you want your things to be delivered. So I have chosen Aldi and I want a few grocery items, so a car would be the best mode of transport. You will be sent to this screen where you can add some additional details. You have the option to add some phone numbers to the pickup and drop-off locations. This may be applicable in instances where pickups and drop-offs are not in public, like your friend's house, or if you need the driver to make a call when they reach the location. You can also see the cost over here. What makes Geetuk stand out from other applications is the following functions. It is the delivery options. We will now go into this function in further detail. Request Now is similar to Uber Eats or Menulog, where you send the request and the application will look for the closest partner or driver to fulfill your order. Request Now has two options. The first is delivery only, where our partners will pick up and deliver to your location, or shop and deliver, which can be used if you want our driver or partner to purchase items like coffee, groceries, food, and other essentials on your behalf and then deliver them to you. You can add some additional instructions in this little box here. For instance, you may want to specify which coffee or groceries you want and from which store, or upload your shopping list. Request and Pull is also available if you want your items to be delivered at a specific time that suits you. If you select this option, your request will be put onto a list, and there are partners or drivers who are fine with the time or believe that the job is right for them will select your request. You then have the option to negotiate the delivery price or select the price that is recommended by the application. You can hit Send Order, and there you have Geetuk. This concludes our tutorial. Please feel free to send us any of your feedback. We are very excited to launch Geetuk in Sydney.